Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between income investing and dividend investing. Number 1. Income investing aims to maximize regular cash flow from multiple sources, whereas dividend investing aims to build income mainly from company dividends. Number 2. Income investing earns money through interest, coupons, rents, distributions, and dividends, whereas dividend investing mainly earns cash dividends paid by corporations. Number 3. Income investing may include bonds, REITs, preferred shares, dividend stocks, and income funds, whereas dividend investing mainly includes dividend-paying stocks and dividend ETFs. Number 4. Income investing usually uses a broader multi-asset approach, whereas dividend investing is mostly focused on equities or stock-based investments. Number 5. Income investing often prioritizes higher current yield, whereas dividend investing balances yield with dividend quality and long-term sustainability. Number 6. Income investing usually has moderate capital growth potential, whereas dividend investing often has stronger long-term growth potential when companies grow earnings and dividends. Number 7. Income investing can provide steadier cash flow when fixed income assets are included, whereas dividend investing depends more on company earnings and dividend policy. Number 8. Income investing is often more sensitive to interest rates, especially when bonds and REITs are included, whereas dividend investing is less directly affected by interest rates but can still be influenced by them. Number 9. Income investing may provide weaker inflation protection if income payments do not increase, whereas dividend investing can offer better inflation protection when companies raise dividends over time. Number 10. Income investing carries risks such as credit risk, interest rate risk, and payout risk, whereas dividend investing carries equity market risk and the risk of dividend cuts. Number 11. Income investing may include interest and distributions that are taxed differently, whereas dividend investing may receive favorable dividend tax treatment depending on the country. Number 12. Income investing is typically more diversified across sectors and asset classes, whereas dividend investing can be narrower if the portfolio focuses only on dividend stocks. Number 13. Income investing is often used to fund current spending needs, whereas dividend investing is commonly reinvested to compound wealth over time. Number 14. Income investing is often suitable for retirees or investors seeking immediate income, whereas dividend investing is often suitable for long-term investors seeking both income and growth. Number 15. Income investing is a broad income-focused strategy, whereas dividend investing is a specific subset of income investing focused on dividend-paying equities. So, the key takeaway is that income investing is the broader approach for generating regular cash flow from different assets, whereas dividend investing focuses specifically on earning income from dividend-paying companies or dividend ETFs. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.